Hello, good evening, friends. We must see the big picture and get back to basics. We've had disappointments in some affairs, but our worries aren't unnecessary. We must release feelings of regret, guilt, and worry over to our angels. There's brightness coming in all areas of our lives. You are never alone. Temptation has tested you and will test you in the future, but you gaining spiritual development, enlightenment, awareness, and understanding. And they say you must listen to your intuition for accurate guidance. Face your fears and grow stronger. It's time for a deep dive. There are new beginnings, and it's going to bring us happiness after shrewdness and resourcefulness, especially in business. We must have a forgiving, loving review of the past. Spirit has our back, especially where there was discord with friends and family. We needed help, assistance, and guidance, but the cloud of oppression is lifting and we're gaining joy through spiritual growth. Be a light to others. You will get answers through prayer and meditation. Take time out. We've had unsettling times and we needed to plan ahead. The world card is here, and they say that there are going to be happy endings. Things are going to come to full circle, and you're going to grow spiritually and have spiritual insights. A wish is going to be granted. There was a lot of money confusion and a lot of situations that we had to juggle, but that's over now, and our ships are going to come in. We overcame so many obstacles. You're in a position of authority over your life, and they say you've triumphed over so many troubles and obstacles. The strength card says that you've gained strength and grace through kindness, self confidence, and forgiveness. You've chosen to move from chaos to peace, and they want you to know that there is love all around you. Have a lovely evening, everybody. I love you all.